Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix SoFi app crashing or freezing. First of all, force and close and reopen the app. Swipe up or double click home screen and swipe the SoFi app away, then reopen it. Then go to the app store and then search for SoFi and see if there is an update button available. If there is, make sure to update and make sure SoFi is in the latest version. Next, power off and back on to clear temporary glitches. After that, free up storage, go to settings and general iPhone storage. Lower storage can cause apps to freeze. Privacy tip: only use the official SoFi app to avoid security risk. Quick fix: if it still crashes, delete and reinstall the app. Your account info will sync back when you log in. Make sure your iOS is up to date, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick